start the car this morning and turned the key and it just went. Now it has been getting cold and the battery that was in it I know was an old one. So got to work, asked the parts manager if we had a battery that would fit. 2 seconds later he comes out with a brand new Sonic that fits perfectly. So threw a new battery in it and it's going again. So in the right about 5 months, because I bought this thing middle of May and it's now the end of September. During those months I have driven around 5,000 kilometers, which is 3,100 miles, around there. And it hasn't really gone wrong at all. Of course, I did have to change a few parts before I started driving it. Just, you know, brake hoses and fix the rubber around one of the ball joints. And I greased everything I could grease, and I've had wheel alignment and tires. But nothing's really gone wrong with the car. You know, every now and then, well, 2 times really, I've felt it start to lug uphill, giving it a bit of, if you give it a bit of resistance, you know, going up steep hills and stuff, it'll start lugging. It won't go as well as it should. 4th gear is pretty much just a dream at that point. But that is a simple issue. It's just the points. Just adjust them back out because they wear. It's one of those things that would happen on pretty much any car with points ignition. Now, of course, this car's been sitting quite a while. It definitely hasn't been in daily use since forever. So, might be some down to it not being used a lot and then suddenly being used a whole lot. But every now and then I have to get it up underneath the hood there and adjust the points. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Adjust the points every now and then. A battery after 5,000 kilometers is pretty good. I mean, it hasn't gone wrong at all. And I have this thing that I have to drive 3,000 kilometers before I trust the car to take it on a trip. And with my daily commute being 30 kilometers one way, it takes a little bit of a while to get there. But I know it's kind of a high threshold for like trusting it, but I know that if I can go back and from there that many times, then I can go pretty much anywhere. So this thing, having gone 5,000 in this time, it's pretty damn great actually. Now, of course, we are closing up the winter now. It's well, September 29th as I'm shooting this. And, well, all of the leaf trees have turned brown or yellow. And we had our first bit of snow a couple of days ago, which prompted me to bolt on my winter tires. They're not new, but they're not old either. They're hand-cooked studded tires in 155/13. Yeah, they are pizza cutters. But that's what people used back then, you know. Not a lot of width, 80% sidewall. Actually, I think it's 82 on those tires, and you know, just studs. So I'm hoping the snow doesn't show up until the weekend, because I am going to go pick up my brother's 81 Cortina this weekend, and that is going to be my, well, winter car until the Granada gets back together. Because the Taunus is getting painted this winter, is the plan at least. So yeah, Cortina, hopefully this is my last week driving it this year. Of course I'm going to keep the winter tires on it, so in case I'll have to move it, I feel like wanting to try it a little bit, I can do that, but it's not going to be much of a need for me to do that. So yeah, this is a short one, just me talking, but I just wanted to tell all of you how amazingly reliable this old 1.5 liter MK1 Cortina from 1966 has been all summer. I am very impressed at how well this car is kept together. for this time. I have been trying to upload a video every Wednesday the last couple of weeks. That consists of shooting on Saturday and Sunday, editing Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, upload. Hopefully have it uploaded on Tuesday, unless or else I'll have to upload it, or else I'll have to upload it right before I go to work, and then do the tags, description, title, thumbnail at work for it to be up at the time I've set, which is 3 o'clock, well actually it's 2 o'clock GMT. So at 3 o'clock in Norway on Wednesdays, the video goes live. Now that of course is 2 o'clock in Britain and early in the morning in the States, or in the afternoon in Australia. So yeah, I'm trying to upload at those points, and with this weekend I'm not going to shoot anything either, so I'm thinking I might have to shoot something in the Taunus on my way home on Sunday, or with the Taunus on Sunday, who knows. So yeah, that'll be it for this time. You can like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.